Welcome to this detailed step-by-step guide on how to easily allow other answers in your poll using your WordPress website. In this tutorial, we will walk through every action required to enable this feature while ensuring you understand the context behind each step. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the login option at the top right corner of the home page. This option is the entry point to accessing your backend controls, and it is essential that you begin there to initiate the process. After clicking on the login button, the next step involves selecting the option to continue with Google. You will see a button labeled with a phrase similar to continue with Google. Click on this button and then choose the appropriate account that you wish to use for managing your website. Using a familiar account helps to streamline the login process and ensures that you are signed in with the correct credentials. Upon successfully signing in, you should now have access to the administration panel of your website. Look for the section labeled Feedback. This section might be used to gather user opinions or to manage interactive elements such as polls. Click on the Feedback option to proceed further in configuring the poll features. Once you are inside the feedback management area, locate and click on the option that is labeled with a name that suggests a crowdsourcing tool. Although the tool may be branded differently depending on the version or recent updates, in our guide it is referred to as CrowdSignal. This platform is commonly used for creating and managing polls that engage your visitors, making it an important part of the process. When you are in the CrowdSignal dashboard, shift your attention towards the right side of the screen. There you will find your account name or a small icon representing your account. Click on your account drop down to reveal a panel of options. This drop down menu is where you can access various settings that control the appearance and behavior of your polls. Within the drop down options, select the settings option. This section is where you'll be able to customize the functionality of features on your polls, including the ability to permit other answers. Navigating through the settings may take a moment, so carefully review the available options until you locate the correct setting for enabling additional responses. In the settings area, locate the toggle option that allows you to turn on the feature for allowing other answers in your poll. Activating this setting gives your visitors the flexibility to input their own answers rather than being limited to predetermined choices. This is especially useful for engaging diverse opinions and generating a broader range of feedback from your website's audience. After you have switched this option on, the final step in the process is to secure your changes. Find the button clearly marked as Save Options and click it. Saving your options ensures that the settings you have just adjusted are stored and applied to your poll immediately, tailoring the interactive element on your website to better suit your audience's needs. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled a feature on your WordPress website that allows visitors to submit their own answers to poll questions. This simple process of logging in, navigating through the feedback interface, and adjusting the settings in CrowdSignal makes enhancing your website both straightforward and user-friendly. Enjoy the flexibility of engaging visitors with a fully interactive poll that welcomes a broader range of responses.